welcome back to my channel. Do you want to know how to get this free backpack from this game? Let's begin. Okay, first you go up these stairs and then you should find a spot. There's 4 spots you have to go on. That's the first one. That's the second. That's the third. And that's the fourth. After you're done, go back to the spawn and follow where I go. You have to hack into the computers, the spots, they're yellow arrows. Now, you have to find that secret spot. It's after this. Yeah, when you find that, there's a secret spot over here. Then you have to hack in that computer too. And then you go back to the spawn, and then you see my character got AFK for a second. Okay, you have to play with the butterflies. There are 4 spots. That's the first. This is the second one. That's the third. And that's the fourth one. I got stuck. I had to respawn my character. Guys, I'm sorry I had this backpack in my account, so I had to go to my old account. That's why I look I don't look good. Okay, and then you have to find that balloon, pop, and then when you pop it, you go back to the spawn, and then follow where I go. Go on top of the star, and you have to keep tapping to win the challenge, and then go to the portal. No, go to the one way, sorry. And then when you go here, why can I not see? Oh, you get that crown thingy. It says you have to do these. I'm sorry, I have to finish these, guys. I can't see. Okay, now I can see. I just zoomed. Okay, there should be a bench right there, sit on it. And then there's another one. Go finish that hobby. And then there's one over here. And then there's one here. And another one. And that's the last one, I guess. No. Wait, is that the last one? No, this is the last one. No, there's one more left. One more. Yeah, that's the last one. And then you have to go get that wings from there. And then go back out of the portal. You follow where I go and then go in that. You have to make the snowman. There are 2 elves. You get the first one, you have to make it run. And then there's another one. And then you have to go make the snowman again. After the elf. Yeah, you have to make the snowman again. And then you should get the badge.